Exactly how many days is there until Halloween? Click the clock in the lower right corner of your screen, and you get a calendar. Now you can count the days on your fingers. You do have fingers, right?
There are exactly 31 days until Halloween.
Now there's less than 31 days left until Halloween, so today is 10/6/16, right? Okay, so subtract 31 from 6, the answer is 25. So there are now 25 days left until Halloween! Just count on a calendar or something. Oh, and BT dubs, I'm gonna be Rey from Star Wars.
Halloween is over, so dictates Cute Bear.
What should a 19-year-old girl be for Halloween? What do 19-year-olds do for Halloween? Well, if you are trying for something to impress someone, try something a little revealing. If you're going for scary, as much makeup as it takes for you to look like Freddy Krueger, because that can be a confusing boner. Hey now boys, now I got a question. Is a Confederate costume a good idea in the North for Halloween? Will people dislike it for reasons? Does Burger King in the UK still do crowns? What did this have to do with Halloween? This has to do with Burger King. Leave.
What are teen girls wearing for Halloween this year?
Nothing slutty, because it is overrated. Is there any way to lighten my period? I tried lemon and lemon juice, but it doesn't seem to work at all. I am supposed to go to a Halloween party tonight, but this will get in the way.
Help me! Contact your physician.
Oh, honey, do not worry about your period interfering with any events. Just stock up on using both a tampon and a pad if you're concerned. As for lightening it, there's not much you can do except for go on any contraception which can reduce your bleeding. Pill or IUDs would do this. Hope you had fun! This episode was not brought to you by Question.com. When you need a phantom oracle to shout your absurdly specific life-draining questions into, Question.com is going to be there. Now check out their partner website, AnswersToQuestion.com questions.com.